In this video, I show you how to fix Gboard recording therefore WhatsApp temporary unable to record problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, then go to see all apps. Now search for Gboard. Now tap on Gboard, then tap on force stop, then OK, and then tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete, then tap on permission, allow microphone permission, photos and videos, camera, contacts. Now search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Tap on force stop. OK. Then tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Now must restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open WhatsApp. Then try to record. Watching. Don't forget to subscribe.